సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
LR circuit can be used for differentiating network and also integrating networks. LR circuit in differentiating circuit in integrating circuit how can behave the LR circuit. First of all we discuss differentiating network. LR circuit differentiating network. LR circuit differentiating network. Differentiation network. So first of all in differentiating network, voltage across inductor, voltage across inductor. So the circuit can be formed as this is the LR circuit as used for differentiation network. So this is the inductor, this is the okay. So this is the LR differentiation circuit. This is the voltage input, this is the voltage output, output voltage across L. This is the LR differentiation circuit. So here this circuit can be used for differentiation. So we can find the formula output voltage. The output voltage is in the terms of differentiation terms, that is the differentiation network, So now we can apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law. We can apply Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law equals to input voltage equals to voltage across R plus voltage across L. Voltage across R, voltage across L. So this equation can be written as input voltage equals to voltage across R plus voltage across L. But already we know that voltage across R equals to I into R. Voltage across R equals to I into R. But voltage across L equals to L di upon dt. L di upon dt. These two terms are already we know that voltage across R equals to IR, voltage across L equals to L into di upon dt. These two terms are substituting this equation. Input voltage equals to IR plus L di upon dt. Okay, so this equation can be written as I R equals to input voltage minus L di upon dt. L di upon dt. Then current I equals to input voltage upon R minus L upon R into di upon dt, because here R is the multiple is in the RHS divisor. So this equation can be written as this type. So here in this equation L by R is the time constant. L by R is time constant. L by R is time constant. That is the time constant equals to L by R. So in case if the time constant T equals to L by R is very small, so in this equation L by R is very small. If let us consider L by R is very small, then in above equation total this term is neglected, because this is the very small, so this equation can be written as current equals to V input voltage upon R equals to, this is the neglected, this is the 0. So then the current I equals to input voltage upon R. This is the current. But output voltage V out equals to the potential across inductance. So V out equals to potential across inductance equals to L into di upon dt. That is the voltage. L di upon dt. V out means output voltage, L d upon dt. What is the I? I is the current. Input voltage upon R. In this equation, here R is the constant, so this equation can be written as output voltage equals to, here R is the constant, L upon R. So remaining term d upon dt of input voltage. So this equation can be written as output voltage equals to L upon R d V input voltage upon dt. So this is the, already we know that this is the time constant, this is the constant. So this equation can be written as, this is also constant, so this equation can be written as output voltage is directly proportional to d upon dt of input voltage. So output voltage is directly proportional to the differentiation of input voltage. Output voltage is directly proportional to differentiation of input voltage. So this circuit is called as differentiation network. What is the circuit? This is the circuit this is the L, this is the R, this is the L, this is the R, L. So output voltage across inductance, output voltage across inductance in differentiation circuit. So this circuit is used for differentiation network because output voltage is directly proportional to input voltage. Okay, then we discuss the LR circuit integration network. Integration network. LR circuit used for integration network. Integration network. In integration network, the circuit in integration network circuit, the circuit can be designed for output voltage across resistance. Output voltage across resistance. The circuit. Output voltage across resistance. So this is the L, this is the R. This is the integration network. This is the integration network. This is the input voltage. This is the integration network. In differentiation network, output voltage across L. So integration and differentiation in circuits interchange, L and R interchange. So you must remember output voltage across resistance. Output voltage across resistance is called integration network. Output voltage across inductance is the differentiation network. So this is the integration network. This is the integration network. And also same as according to here KVL. According to KVL means Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law equals to input voltage in equals to voltage across resistance plus voltage across inductance. This is the KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law. So this equation can be written as input voltage equals to voltage across resistance plus voltage across inductance. Already we know that voltage across resistance equals to IR. Already we know that voltage across inductance is equals to L di upon dt. These two formulas are already we know that. So these two formulas are substituted in this equation. So then that equation can be written as input voltage equals to voltage across resistance equals to IR plus voltage across inductance equals to L di upon dt. This is the KVL. This is the KVL formula. This is the KVL formula. So this formula can be written as IR. This formula can be written as IR equals to input voltage minus L di upon dt. Di upon dt. But current I equals to input voltage upon R. Here R is the L upon R di upon dt. This equation can be written as this type. So current I equals to input voltage upon R minus L upon R di upon dt. Here L by R is the time constant. Here L by R is the time constant. L by R is the time constant. Here L by R is very large. Here L by R is very large because in differentiation circuit L by R is very small. In integration circuit L by R is very large. Very large. So here L by R is very large. Here L by R is very large. So then you can see current I equals to input voltage upon R. This is the very large. This is the very large because this is the way, this term is very large. Then this is very large, large value. So this value is minus. This value is minus. Then here in circuit L by R is very large. IR is neglected. IR is neglected. IR is neglected because L by R is very large. So this term is very large. Here R, this type of L by R, this term is very large because this is the neglected. This is the neglected. Then IR is neglected. IR is neglected. So IR is neglected. Then that input voltage IR plus L di upon dt. So L by R is very large, then IR is neglected. So IR is neglected. Input voltage, this is the 0 plus L di upon dt. So input voltage equals to L di upon dt. Input voltage equals to L di upon dt. So this equation can be written as input voltage into dt. Input voltage into dt into L into di. So integrating on both sides here. Integrating on both sides. Then this equation can be written as integration apply. So integrating V input voltage dt equals to integrating L di. L di. So here integrating input voltage into dt equals to L is the constant, integration di. Integrating input voltage dt equals to L I. Integrating of di equals to I. This is the current. Then current I equals to 1 upon L. Here L is the multiply, here divisor. 1 upon L equals to integration of V input voltage into dt. This is the I. Current I equals to 1 upon L integrating of input voltage. Here then same as in differentiation circuit. Here now we calculate output voltage. The output voltage V out. Output voltage, well, what is the output voltage? Output voltage equals to potential. Potential means here voltage across R. Across R. So V output equals to IR. V output equals to IR. So the current value is substituting this equation. Then that equation can be written as output voltage equals to I is the 1 upon L integrating input voltage into dt into R. Okay, here R is the constant. V output voltage equals to R upon L integrating input voltage into time. Already we know that L by R is constant. L by R is constant. Then also R by L is constant. So this is the constant output voltage, this is the constant, then this equation can be written as output voltage is directly proportional to integrating of input voltage into dt. So here the output voltage is directly proportional to integrating of input voltage. So this network is called as integrating network. In integrating network, the output voltage directly proportional to input voltage. Okay.